Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I am a classically trained pastry chef, and today I'll be demonstrating how to make a peanut butter banana poke cake. This recipe creates a super moist cake filled with sweet banana pudding that soaks into every bite. Start by making the peanut butter cake portion of the dessert. Add 2/3 cup creamy peanut butter, 1 cup water, and 1/2 cup unsalted butter to a saucepan. Put the pan on your stove over medium-low heat. Stir the mixture often until the butter melts and everything is smooth and mixed together. Take the pan off the heat and set it aside. You'll use it later. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. To this bowl, add 3 large eggs and 1/2 cup of whole milk. Make sure the eggs and milk are at room temperature. Stir together until fully mixed. Pour the peanut butter mixture you made earlier into the mixing bowl. Stir everything together until it's well mixed and smooth. At this point, you may add in any extras. Consider chocolate chips, roasted peanuts, sliced bananas, or anything else that complements peanut butter. Pour the cake batter into a 9 by 13 inch baking pan, which has been greased with butter or baking spray. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes at 350 degrees. After baking, let the cake cool for about 20 minutes. Then use the end of a wooden spoon to poke holes all over the cake. Make sure you go all the way down to the bottom and try to poke a hole at least every 1/2 inch. To make the banana pudding, combine 1 and 1/2 cups of warm water, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 5-ounce package of instant banana pudding. Be sure to use instant banana pudding. Don't use the kind that requires cooking, as it won't work in this recipe. As soon as you make the banana pudding, slowly pour 2/3 of it over the cake, allowing it to seep into the holes. Use the pudding as soon as you make it, as it will begin to thicken as it sets. Use an offset spatula to press the pudding into the holes, or lightly tap the pan on your countertop. Pour the remaining banana pudding over the cake and smooth with an offset spatula. Once the cake cools completely, about 1/2 an hour, cover it with plastic wrap and place in your refrigerator for 2 hours. After 2 hours, top off the cake with a sweetened whipped cream, slice, serve, and enjoy. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.